So we are learning to find fact families and understand the commutative property for addition and subtraction. So as we go along through this flip video, you'll understand what I mean by the commutative property. Okay. So a fact family consists of all of the addition and subtraction combinations that two numbers and their sum can make. So for example, I've written some here. So we've got 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 3 minus 2 equals 1. So the only numbers that we have used are 3, 2, and 1. You can see that we've got the addition facts here, and we have got the subtraction facts here. So this is a family of facts. We are only using these three numbers here to create our 1, 2, 3, 4 facts with the family. Have another look here. We've got addition and then we've got subtraction. Okay, and you can also see that the biggest number is the sum that is here, and when we do subtraction, the biggest number is here. Okay, so I've just got some kitchen utensils here, and I want to illustrate how the family of facts can work like this. So watch carefully. So I've got 3 items. Oops, no I haven't. Here's my pen. I've got 3 items plus 2 items equals 5 items altogether, and I can write that like 3 plus 2 equals 5. I can also then say that 2, look here, 2 plus my 3 items equals 5. So then I can say, and I'll use a different colour for my subtraction, I can say if I've got 5 items here altogether and I take away 2, then I have got 3 left over. So I'm going to use my larger number, 5, minus 5 minus 2 equals, and I've had 3 left over, and then I can say 5 minus 3 equals 2.